Hi everyone, my name is Juliana and welcome to Ferrari, Quebec. Today we'll be spotlighting this 2022 F8 Spider. Exterior is painted in our classic Rosso Corsa with Cuyo interior and red accents. Let's let it speak for itself though. The heart of this stunning F8 is its 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which produces 710 horsepower and 568 pounds of torque. Moreover, it only has 1,200 kilometers on the odometer, which makes it even more sought after than it already is. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our beautiful dealership.